Hello, in this video we are talking about probabilities, and our question is, box A contains 2 blue and 3 red balls. Box B contains 5 blue and 1 red balls. A box is chosen at random by the flip of a coin, and 1 ball is taken at random from it. Determine the probability of getting a red ball. So we are having 2 boxes, but these 2 boxes, we pick them by a flip of a coin. So when we flip a coin, we get either head or a tail. So head and the tail, they both have half of being selected. So if this is our bag A, and this one is our bag B, bag A contains 2 blue and 3 red. Then bag B contains 5 blue and 1 red. Now we are selecting from one of the bags, and when you select from bag a ball, we can either get a blue ball or a red ball. If we select from bag B, again we can either get a blue or a red, but the probability of getting a blue from bag A is 2 out of the total sample space, which is 5, and the probability of getting a red is 3 out of 5. Then here, the probability of getting a blue is 5 out of 6, and here the probability of getting a red is 1 out of 6. So our question is asking for the probability of getting a red ball. So we can get either red ball from bag A or a red ball from bag B. So that is following those lines. So for the red ball from bag A, a bit of a red ball or equal to getting it from bag A, that is having selected bag A, then you select a red ball, and the red ball, it is 3 out of 5. Or you can get it from bag B, which is a half for selecting bag B, and then 1 over 6 for getting the red ball out of that bag. So this can be simplified, and we get 3 out of 10 plus 1 out of 12. So 3 out of 10 plus 1 out of 12 can be added, and we get 23 out of 60. Thank you.